What's happening to natureboy Big, the bearded brother? So as you can see, we use a tool. It's the first time using a tool. I already see what I like now, and what I should have did. I used the blunt side and brought the curve in from here. Next time we're gonna do it like this. That way we can keep more of the sideburn. So other than that, it does exactly what I want the first cut buddy tool to do. Take up greater real estate. Now cut off a lot of beard, that's cool. 2 or 3 weeks we'll do it again. We'll do another video showing a different angle coming from this side. Different look. And for those who still got a full head of hair, you still got your C curve right here. You know, you can still hit and line up, going across, other things like that. So, you know, you shouldn't mess up your beard, or you shouldn't, so I say you shouldn't mess up your haircut. Still got the same great curves and features on it, just in a larger tool. It's opaque. It probably would be dope if it was still clear, but, you know, they're going for a certain look with this one, with this being the insignia, and that's super dope. So, yeah, man, shout out to the Cut Buddy on the Cut Buddy Plus. Joshua Island, I think you got a winner, but we still got to put it to the test. We got to stack it up against the Aberlite beard shaping tool, the Beard Ninja. We also got a company that went out of business, the Guidelinepro beard shaping tool. We got to stack that up against that. We're gonna do a head to head, compare all those the major tools. Compare all the major beard shaping tools, line them up, and we're gonna see who come out on top. But I'm thinking Cut Buddy came back in fighting form, in bird form. They swinging for the fences on this one. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace and blessings. I say.